All right, we're live. How's everyone? How are you guys doing? Today we're gonna trade NQ live on Hypertix. Make sure you guys stick around for the giveaways. So yeah, let's get this started. I'm already looking for sells on MNQ. So yeah, we've been trickling down for the whole Asian session. Usually you'll see like a continuation or like until New York session, even maybe like a spike below the zone. All right, so this is kind of what I'm looking for, and then I'll show you guys a bit about my strategy, answer your questions, and we're gonna do some giveaways at the end to trade on Hypertix. So if you guys are interested in trading prop firms, make sure you stick around for the giveaway. Let me move that. Or I'm actually gonna keep trading view. There, we're gonna do the analysis on trading view. So basically on NQ, I got my buys yesterday at around this point here. It was on MNQ, but it's the same thing. Took a loss, took a win right after. With my positive RR here, I netted like 400 something ticks. So tomorrow we got caught by this grab, by this liquidity grab. I think we can mirror a move similar today, where it's going to be slower, of course, but we're gonna probably like start accelerating maybe to this zone. So I'm trying to mirror something similar. Hello, Bodyman funded Shabam. Ninja J Dog. Good morning, everyone. I got a good afternoon as well. Where are you from? For me, it's 6 a.m. So yeah, in the next 15 minutes, we're gonna be able to catch a trade. So from India, 5 a.m. here for J Dog, 5 a.m. Almost the same time zone as me. Okay, so for my stop loss, it's gonna be something like this. I'm hesitant to just have a smaller trade today. This could be the play. This could honestly be the play. Um, I don't know. I don't know. Could be a smaller trade today. Just so get out of bed and get on your computer. I usually just like when I'm not live streaming, I'll be in bed and I'll set up alerts on my charts. NQ Future Stock, first time being here. Welcome. How are you doing, brother? So let's see gold. You want to see gold? Gold, gold. Gold is like my move would have been right there. So it's kind of I think there's an opportunity for buys later on. But I mostly trade swings, so nope, not this one. So this was my chart on gold, and I did exit this trade break even, which is pretty unfortunate. So I would have woke up with this, but I didn't do that. So kind of unfortunate. Um, I have a lot of fibs for my gold swing strategy. NQ future stock. First thing I do when I get out of bed, I see my charts. Yeah, same. I usually like have alerts, so I just look at it for like 5 minutes, set up my alerts for the day, and then I'm good. Um, yeah. So gold. I was like, I have no bias now. I knew we would like play around, get up there. I got stopped out there, and it's unfortunate because I was right about all those moves, all those two moves. This one I wasn't right about, but I did get out pretty early. So yeah, let's get back to NQ here. Good morning, Bitra. Yes, sir. There will be a giveaway today. Not I'm not selling NQ currently. You'll see it on Hypertext. I'll do two accounts today. It's gonna be this copy trader. Okay, so not in the position yet, but I'm expecting it. I'm expecting something like this. We'll have to wait and see though. I think this is going to be the play. Target's gonna be below the lowest SMA on the 15. Does make sense with a zone we tapped a lot. It's just below it, so looks good to me. No need to filter anything. That was the uptrend from the New York session. We're going to go right below the equilibrium. If we take that as a rebreak, it's also quite nice. Yeah, so we will probably like tap this zone like so, but I'm not gonna overextend. It's gonna be like 2 risk to reward, so should be nice. If I do decide to go somewhere like this, it is risky as we could retap this level. It's low probability that if we retap, we go down right after, but it's still a possibility in my book. So that's what we're going to do. We'll just wait for candle closure here, and we'll be able to enter our sell position. Yeah, guys. So for the giveaway, let me figure something out right now. Did we already have something? Okay, so for the giveaway, you guys can we'll do the usual thing, okay? So I'll do a post inside the Discord here. So you guys can go to the iProtix Discord in general chat and follow what I'll just write. So Uh, all right, so for the giveaway, I just posted a message in the Discord. All right. So just go to the Hypertext Discord, and you'll see a message on how to participate. You basically just have to follow Hypertext, follow me on Instagram, write in the Discord chat Trade Trav, and be in the live stream. Okay. So I'm gonna draw the winner a bit later today. The stream is buffering. I think it should be fine now. I'm watching it. I saw that it was buffering, but it should be fine now. Let me know if there's any other issues. All right, J Dog, you're in the stream, brother. You can participate and write down Trade Tribe. You can follow us on X as well if you use X. But since you're actually in the stream, watching on Hypertext YouTube, you can participate and write Trade Tribe in the Discord. Ninja, all done. Thank you. Funded thank you. Sam as well. And I'll do other giveaways as well. Oh, I think my cam is frozen. Is it? All right, funded. I'll call you funded. What up, Royal? How you doing? Oh, okay. I think the stream is back now. Or my cam is frozen. So I think my screen looks fine, but my cam seems to be frozen on my side. When I move my head, I can see it. We'll try to fix that right now. So we're finally getting some more volume here as we try to fix the stream. I don't know if it's fine. I'm kind of looking at it right now. But at least you guys will be able to see my chart. My webcam may be frozen, but we'll see. Is there a need to send SS? What's send SS? Funded said, I'm doing good. I captured 65 points with 3 micros, made around $350 in Asian session. Nice, nice. I think we'll get some pullback and continue bearish trend. Let's see. 65 points at funded account. Thank you, Sam. I appreciate it. Okay, so we're gonna get the sells here. We are going to get the sells. I may. Dude, I'm so hesitant about bringing my stop down, but I'm not gonna do that. All right, guys, we're gonna add a new account to the list just before the trade. Okay, so we have before candle close, we have like 7 minutes. So we're gonna buy a new account using HTP. Okay. So if we go to my wallet, for example, we go to start a new challenge. I'm gonna add a 50K beginner. So this is what we're gonna do. Start a 50K challenge. And basically what we can do is buy it with HTP. So this is what you're gonna get when this is what you're gonna get if you win a giveaway. You're gonna be able to get it with HTP. So let me just purchase that account. Does that work better? Okay. So yeah, if you win a giveaway today, you're gonna be able to see that you have HTP in your account. I'm gonna choose the beginner 50K on Volumetrica. and then I just copy traded to the others. Okay, so I'm gonna check this out. So there it is. Check out, and then you're gonna be able to get this message with HTP per month, beginner account. Gonna complete my order. Okay, and my trade is ready as well. So a bit earlier than expected. So we're gonna go ahead and sell NQ. We're gonna add to the other account I just bought as well. We're gonna do that later. So let's go to this. We're gonna sell 2 units on Hypertext on 2 accounts. There it is. Okay, so I'm in sell positions, guys. And I want my stop loss to be at 658. We got some great volume here. So right on entry 478. So that's going to be the trade for today. Okay. And we do have an extra account here. So let me just do this one manually where we'll sell to. This one's going to be manual. Okay, so it's not going to be a part of the copy trader. I don't want to mess with it. And take profit. I want to risk the reward. So we can do that. Like so. Let's go back to the copy trader. There it is. Okay, so we're just gonna remove those tags. Stop loss, take profit, label. Save that. Okay, just so we can see the trade better. So that's the trade. All right, that works. Okay, guys, so I just bought another account. Let's go to dashboard and let's see. Where do I select my accounts? Okay, so I think that's a new one. Yes, sir. Okay, so we just bought the new accounts with the hypertext points. So basically the 2.5K profit target that we added new account. So we're at 0. We got to get 2.5. And yeah, the balance is pretty much 0. I just entered the trade. I entered the same as the other ones. So we'll see how this one plays out. No, there's no activation fees on hypertext. So you guys can use my code currently. It's 50% off. Trade Drive. It's $54 with no activation fee. Bitra in the giveaway, nice. Miss K in the giveaway as well. Yeah, I'm copy trading. You can copy trade right inside the hypertext. Okay, so we got a lot of people in the giveaway today. That's awesome. There's a lot of people today. Yeah, you need to be here when the giveaway happens. Um, while this trade run, I'm gonna do one giveaway. There's already a lot of people, so let's do it, man. Let's do the first giveaway. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna count everyone as one. So we'll do a wheel. We'll do a wheel of names. We'll do it on screen. So I'm gonna start typing names. So if there's Sup, Sam, there's nobody. Royal Vibes Inc. There's Funded. There's Void. There's Techie. Nutty. Ninja. Blue Collar. Forex Killer. So there's this guy. There's the Money Man. Quanta. Course. Miss K. Medi. No one. Okay, so I'll be ready to do the giveaway. So we'll add the new names that are coming in. Okay, you guys ready for the first 50K giveaway? Edits? I didn't add you. I'll make sure to add you. What's your name on Discord? Okay, make sure you guys go to the Hypertext. I'll wait a little bit. Make sure you guys go to the Hypertext Discord and type Trade Tribe in chat. So I can get you guys added inside of it. I'm announcing the winner, and if they don't reply, it's okay. If you're not in the live stream for like 5 minutes, it's all good. Okay, so we're gonna add GP Moses. I'm gonna add you from okay, GP Moses. 12 edits. I'm gonna add you based on the fact that you're in the stream. Make sure you go to the Hypertext Discord as well, okay? Edits. Morta Demand. Okay, Morta. I'm gonna add you, Morta. Make sure you go to the Hypertext Discord. To follow every step. Twelve edits gonna join Discord. W man. All right, so I'm gonna run the giveaway. Let's do it. Let's run it for a 50K beginner account. Spin the wheel. All right, so there it is. Mandy, you won the giveaway. Congrats. So I may do another giveaway, guys. We'll see. We'll see. There's a lot of people. Let me see if I can do another giveaway. We may do another one just for YouTube, okay? So If I call it, only the ones that stay on YouTube will be able to join. Yeah, so gonna keep this open. I may be able to do another giveaway. We'll see. We will see. For now, we're inside of this trade. Not looking too good, but that's all right. That's all right. Tris, what up? What up? Ralph Turner, you still gotta add me. I joined Discord. Yeah, make sure you type in chat. I added everyone inside the Discord. Everyone that replied inside the Discord for general chat, inside the Hypertext Discord, I added them to the wheel. So make sure you go to the general chat and type in your name. Okay, guys, let's do another giveaway. You guys ready? I'm gonna run another giveaway right now. Another 50K account. All right, let's do it. We're gonna add this guy. Everyone's in there. I'm gonna run it in like a few minutes. All right, you know what? Let's do this one only for YouTube viewer, okay? Let's do this one only for YouTube viewer. So I'm gonna open another wheel. I'm gonna post in the Discord though. I wanna be clear with everyone. Okay. So if you want to participate, just send a message. If you send one message in chat, you'll be in, okay? So after 7 a.m., that's good with me. So we got GP Moses. Just one message is okay. No need to spam. Okay, I'll get everyone. Thank you. Futures. FFM. Lab J Dog. Mehdi, I'll keep you out of it for today, my man. You already got your one account. You'll be able to participate in other giveaways. So congrats to you, by the way. So we got Tris. We got Douglas. Funded. Do I have you? Nope. Funded. NQ Futures is good. 12 edits said meow. Legion. Trading. FFM, I already have you. Douglas, what's happening here? I'm doing a 50K account giveaway. Okay, so we're gonna get Rish Abs, Morta. Bro, there's so many people. Aubrey, Returner, Sue, Ninja, Jacob, Funded. I already had you in there. Yes. Mino. Yeah, it's okay. I'm gonna name the person on YouTube, and if he doesn't reply, it's gonna work. Bro, you don't have no. I don't have a bot. I don't have a bot. Mythic. Okay, we're gonna do the giveaway, guys. So let's go. My trade is kind of playing out now. It's going down at least. So I'm a professional bot. Devin. Okay, I didn't add you. Devin, I got you. I'm just taking new messages in chat. Bodyman, you're right, you're not in there. Yeah, just one message, all right. Okay, so I'm just making sure everyone is there. Yeah, Mino, you're in there. Got you. I walk. Let's add you in there. Okay, so Ellen, yeah, I do have you. Can I zoom in a little bit? Ellen, you're right there. All right, let's spin the wheel. I think I got everyone. I double checked it. So let's spin the wheel. Let's go. Good luck, everyone. So returner, make sure you answer in the YouTube chat. Make sure you answer in the YouTube chat, and you'll get a 50K account giveaway. So returner SU1. Okay, perfect. You're in chat. So how do you claim? Just make sure you go to the Hypertix Discord and you message support. So what's your Discord handle so I can just send me in the YouTube chat what your Discord handle is. Like what's your name on Discord, just so I can announce that you won in the general chat. The Discord is on Hypertix. So if you want to access it, you go to hypertix.com and you join the Discord right there. And you click accept invite. Okay, so it's on hypertix.com. Okay, and if you guys appreciate all those giveaways, make sure you guys like the stream, follow us on Instagram. Okay. So on IG, make sure you guys follow hypertix.com for hypertix.com and TradeTrive. Okay. So I'm uploading a bunch of content when I trade live on Hypertix, or if I trade CFDs, I'll post as well. And we'll post in advance when we're doing giveaways or when we're doing live streams. Okay. So make sure you guys go follow TradeTrive and Hypertix. Okay. We'll do a bunch more giveaways, and make sure you guys like and sub to the YouTube channel. There we go. We're getting some volume on the trade. Oh, let's see about the trade. Let's see about this one. Arch repeat. Okay. Uh, yeah, I got you. Gonna copy your username. You got to message support on the Discord. So on the Hypertext Discord. I'll announce you in the general chat. We're starting to push back into profit here. This is good price action. Um, Not unfortunate, but we could have waited for a retracement, especially with slow price action. And we're gonna do like this week or like early next week. We're gonna do like a big giveaway, like multiple accounts on my Instagram and Hypertix Instagram only. Okay, so it's not gonna be like the. It's gonna be we're gonna make a post on my Instagram, cross post it with Hypertix. So make sure you guys follow me and follow the hypertix.com Discord. Okay, so best post to find both is right there. So either you find Trade Tribe, myself, or Hypertix, and follow us both. We're gonna do a big giveaway with multiple accounts. So make sure you're there. We'll do probably like three 50K accounts at the same time. And I'm gonna post that like this weekend or maybe Monday. Okay, so make sure you guys go follow us on Instagram, and you'll be first there to participate in the giveaway. There's more and more people showing up, so we can do them pretty quickly. Anyone is in the NQ Gold YM trade right now? How's it looking for you guys on the charts? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. No, you don't trade because Europe have holiday and New York is coming, so no big move coming. Yeah, I don't really care about like Europe holidays. I should though, but not that I don't care. What I'm saying is I don't care about it for my trading. What's the holiday today? Holidays. holiday today. It's going on in Europe. Labor Day, International Workers' Day. Oh, you have that too, but not on the same date. And I live in Canada, so it's not the same date for Canada. It's not the same date for the US. It's not the same date anywhere. All right. How many years futures trading? Only 2 years futures. I did like CFDs before, like forex and gold and oil. I did that for, if you count that plus futures, total of 7 years trading. Yeah, London is closed, so market will start moving New Year session. Yeah, it's moving kind of slow, uh, but still, you can find opportunities. Pundit said, I'm a big fan of the 4 hour chart. It's still holding itself to close on a positive note, maybe all time highs. That's why I'm hesitating to take another short trade. Yeah, it could be true. Let's look at it together. JDog says strong push here on NQ. GP, you're right. I think the volume will kick in New York session. Yeah, it will most likely, but even pre-New York, it could kick in, even if like most Europe institutions are closed. We could get a spike still. And yeah, the 4 hours seems to be holding. But Friday NQ towards all-time highs. I expect to get some sort of downward push here, and I'll be very very careful today. So I think this is kind of low risk and very high reward. If we start getting a push here, I'll put break even pretty early. If we go to full stop, then nothing I can do. But to be honest, I think we'll get something there. We can at least like start printing a candle that will look like this at some point. It could reverse pretty fast and go up, but at 27,500, I think it will be a great zone to put break even. Yeah, I did send a friend request on Discord. I'm sending friend requests right now on the side to the people that are inside the stream. You know what I'm saying? You thought you got botted? Yeah, my bad. I'm just like watching the chat and I'm adding you guys on Discord. Shit. Oh yeah, I can't. I can't send another Miss K. So you can send me a request if you'd like. All right, if you've been here for a while on the YouTube, make sure you guys like the YouTube stream. It helps a lot to reach a lot of new people, and that's the goal here. We're trying to build that community up on Hypertext, and also for myself, I like when there's a lot of people in stream. Always more fun. Okay, so make sure you guys like the stream and subscribe. Funded likes professional bots like myself. Bro, entering all those names, I'm a professional bot at that point. I got stuck. Yeah, I know. Um, the stream is fucking up today. I mean, you guys can see my screen and hear my voice at least, but I don't know why the webcam is not working. Hypertext and I are using like a tool so we can stream on my channel and their channel at the same time. It usually works out pretty fine, but like for some reason, my webcam has just been frozen today. What's my Discord do? I have a link. Yeah, I do. It's everywhere on my socials or on my own Discord. So yeah, I do have one. Legion, do I have you on Discord? Are you in the Hypertext server? But I see you're on my YouTube channel, so yes, below there's a link to my Discord in the YouTube description. It's like a WAP link. It's WAP.com, trade drive, trade drive. Says it twice, I don't know why, but that's the actual link. Let's just zoom out a little bit. Join the Hypertext Discord, nice. Name is Legion Trading, right? Yeah, yeah, I'm live on Hypertext YouTube or on my own, yeah. Hypertext be like, I'll copyright you. Yeah, yeah. We're like they're the one that are starting the stream, but I can like copy the thing on my own channel. So Alright, I've been streaming for like an hour and a half now. I'm gonna end the stream, okay? So we did two giveaways. We got in this NQ trade that's pretty much dead. So we're just gonna let it run. If you guys want to follow along this trade, I do post in my own Discord. So you can join my own Discord as well. There's links everywhere on my Instagram, on my personal Discord channel. So Discord profile. So yeah, you can do that. You'll find it. You'll find a way if you want to join my Discord, um, or either like on my IG. You can also find it there in the tab link. So there's a bunch of ways to do it. I just closed my tab like an idiot. What I meant to do is go back there. Yeah, so we're gonna let this trade run. What I'm gonna do is like once we double this move that we got above from like we may see it together, but once we get a few pips here, a few ticks, I'm gonna put my stop loss break even pretty early. I don't want to mess around with the clash in volume between London, that's been pretty dead, and New York. Okay, so what I mean by that, I don't want to get a spike down just to go up, but we may see a direction picking up, sells back down to cancel the previous move from the previous day, and close the week slightly bearish. I think we can see something like that starting to happen. Okay, so maybe up, maybe down, but we're gonna start flipping between bearish and bullish week. It's obviously Friday, so I could see us re-breaking the lows here, closing the week slightly bullish. So I'll have to take my profit. I think it's well placed currently, so we're gonna be fine with this. Around 500, I'm gonna put break even. If it wants to go, it will. If it doesn't, and it's Friday, I'm gonna be out pretty early, so it's all good. Okay. So on Monday there will be no stream, but I do announce them in advance, and if I'm not live, I'm posting videos about it. So posting video stories, and we'll do some more giveaways on the Hypertext Discord, on the Hypertext Instagram, and my own as well. Okay, so there's that. Also, last thing, if you wanna enjoy 50% off on Hypertext, so like $55 for a 50K account, you can use code TradeTribe. Same thing as my handle. Okay. And yes, sir. Have a good weekend, everyone. Have a good weekend, Miss K. GP. Have a good weekend. Thank you, everyone, for showing up. It's always nice to live stream, talk to you guys, and I enjoy it, man. So thank y'all for showing up. It was a fun stream. We did cash a trade, but it's not like playing out immediately due to the holiday in Europe, Labor Day. So we're just gonna let the chart open, and at around, we're gonna use this. Okay, we're gonna use this as my alert. 504. As soon as we touch the zone, we're gonna go break even. High probability that we touch it, we go break even, and we're gonna call it a day. Okay, Douglas, have a good weekend. Funded was a great one. Yes, sir. Thank you, bro. Thank you for showing up to the stream. So we're gonna let this one play out. Okay. Good morning, sleepwalker. You're arriving at the time where we end the stream, okay? So if you want to be a part of the next one, make sure you look at the notifications on the Discord or YouTube, or even like on Instagram. We post this in advance. We always do streams with giveaways, so I guess we'll talk later. We're gonna end the stream pretty soon here. Cheers. Have a good weekend to you as well. Okay, so I'm gonna let the trade run on screen a bit, but the stream will be ended. All right, so see you everyone.